I mentioned Bill Baruch has added to 2 positions within his portfolio. He joins us now on the phone. So what have you done this morning in the midst of this sell-off?
Hey, thanks for having me. I'm looking at where I can find good, considerate value, or at least opportunity with the VIX at 50. I looked at Meta, increased our stake in Meta, and I looked at Broadcom and increased our stake there. I think with the VIX hitting 50 reminds me, especially with something taking place in Asia, of August 2015. It reminds me as well as January, February of 2018. And both of those had marked significant lows on the nights of Sunday night, Monday sell-offs, even though we chopped around a bit more. But I like these 2 names quite a bit. And one, it increased in Meta, and actually the best overnight coming into the day. I mean, a juggernaut earnings report last week. We're seeing margins increase. I think as advertising talk, they're going to be the leader coming out of there, implementing AI, just honing the advertising. And as for Broadcom, it's actually turning positive today. It was down 10% overnight. It's turning positive right now. Probably it has to be the best performer of the day after the bell. And it's a powerhouse in AI, and it's a leader in the networking side of it. They've had some great acquisitions. And AI, things like VMware, they're going to drive their revenue here in quarters to come. So I'm real excited about increasing their stake there.
So it just sounds like you feel across the board that this was overdone today. To your point, not only is Broadcom now positive, AMD's up near 5% on the day as well. VIX is way off of its highest levels, too. We're talking north of 60 earlier. We're at 30, a little less than 35 now. CrowdStrike, by the way, which has been very much in the news of late, is up 2%. So there are some, pockets, albeit, tiny ones, that are finding some green today.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this brings opportunity. And I've been on the show a couple times over the past month or two saying that my fear of a black swan would be a Japanese yen move, and to the degree that it has. Even though I forecasted it, it's tough to time, it's tough to manage, and really this is where you want to be able to have some cash on the sidelines, and something like this takes place, and you're putting it to work in these opportunities. Listen, I'm not going to go out and say a low is in. I think we could potentially chop around, but I feel very confident taking a position here, or betting that we have a significant type low that we could really work off of through the rest of the year.
All right, I appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Thanks for calling in, Bill Baruch. Joe, you want to comment on any of that?
Look, I just think for the viewers who are sitting at home, have a 401k, have a long-term investment portfolio, you have to take comfort in several things that you've heard today. Number one, the Federal Reserve is restrictive. They're going to fix that in the coming months. Number two, are we teetering on recession? Everything that you've heard from Jimmy and others is suggesting a softening in the economy, but not a hard recession. And then lastly, the most important thing, the ballast in your portfolio, which is bonds, it's working today. And if bonds weren't working, I'd be more concerned. For the rest of you that are out there trading and speculating on the market, price and liquidity, those are the 2 words that are most important today. And that happens when every asset class that has leverage is being sold off.
Well, if you were out there clamoring for a pickup in volatility, you're getting your wish. And then some, maybe a little more jarring than you wanted. But nonetheless, you've got your volatility. There's the intraday on the VIX, the big mountaintop peak just after the open, or right around the open this morning.